What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to today's video. Firstly, I hope everybody is good. I hope everybody is safe, and I also hope everybody is staying in. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be going through some of my favorite pieces that I've picked up throughout the last month or so, and we've got quite a good variety as well. We've got some footwear, we've got some cozy vibes, we've got some trousers, and of course everything's going to be linked in the description down below for you guys to check out if you wish to do so. But before we do get into my favorite pickups of the month, if you are new to the channel, go down below, hit subscribe for more men's fashion content every Thursday and every Sunday. Also turn that notification bell on. And this one's obviously for everybody. Smash that thumbs up button. And if you are watching on your phone, screenshot it right now, upload it to your Instagram story and tag me in it. And for every tag that I get, I'll be reposting you guys onto my story as well. All right, and that's all the intro blabber, onto the pick. So for this video, I thought we'd start with the top half and work our way down from there. So item number one, or pickup number one that I want to show you is this piece. And this is called the padded shirt with top stitching. And this is actually from COS. And my God, is this a beautiful piece. So I picked this up in the beige colorway. However, it's also available in gray. And in terms of the actual price point, this is normally coming in at £99. However, COS is currently running a 50% sale. So yeah, I managed to pick this up for £49.50, which, considering I've wanted this for such a long time, I'm definitely glad I waited and obviously managed to cop it at 50% off. So in terms of the actual fabric, this is 100% cotton. I got this in a size large, and for reference, I am 5'11". And yeah, it fits exactly how I wanted it. So I'd definitely say go true to size with this. So yeah, item number one is the COS padded shirt, normally coming in at £99, but I managed to pick this up for £49.50 in their 50% sale. All right, and then moving on to my second favorite pickup of the month. And I know you guys absolutely love this because so many of you have DM'd me like on Instagram when you've seen me wearing it in my stories and things like that. And that is this Asos reclaimed vintage oversized hoodie. And yeah, it's a banger. Firstly, this is the perfect alternative to the Cole Buxton hoodies. Obviously there is going to be like a little bit, well, there's going to be a difference in the quality of the actual garment because well, Cole Buxton, they just can't be beaten for quality. However, if you are on more of a budget and you're looking for like a good affordable alternative to them products, this is the perfect alternative for their hoodies. So these are available in multiple different colorways. However, I opted for the charcoal because it's just such a similar wash to the Cole Buxton ones, like we've already said, and it's just a great alternative. So in terms of the actual fabric, this is 100% cotton. I got this in a size extra large for that super oversized fit. And then in terms of the actual price, this is coming in at £40, which I think is a great reasonable price point because there's not many brands out there that are offering hoodies with this kind of quality and this kind of wash at that price point. So there we have it. Item number two is the Asos reclaimed vintage hoodie, and like I said, that's coming in at a price point of £40. So moving down to trousers, and my third favorite pickup of the month, I'm actually going back to COS, and that is this pair of wide leg trousers. Amazing. Straight off the back, you guys know that this pair of trousers are right up my street, and as soon as I seen that they were 50% off, I had to cop. So these should have been coming in at £69, but obviously I managed to get them at £34.50 in the sale. And yeah, now is a perfect time to try out COS. If you've kind of wanted to try some of the stuff from there in the past, but for whatever reason haven't, now is a great time to try it with a 50% off. Now in terms of the actual fabric, again, these are 100% cotton. And yeah, just the fit on these, in my opinion, are literally perfect. Everything about these trousers I absolutely love. The fit, the color, everything. Now, like I said, I got these in the beige colorway, and in terms of the actual size, I got these in a EU48. Now, for reference, in UK sizing, I'm normally like a 31 to a 32 waist, and yeah, these fit great. So pickup number three is the wide leg trousers in the beige colorway from COS. moving on to pickup number 4 and down to actual footwear, and that is this pair of sneakers. The New Balance 530s. Now I'm not actually too sure if I've shown you guys these yet in a video, but I know I've spoke about them as like an affordable alternative to the Balenciaga tracks. So these are coming in at a price point of £80 and there's multiple different colorways to choose from. And I got these in the white and silver colorway, so perfect for the like spring, summer days. But yeah, just to give you guys a bit of a closer look, that's what they are looking like. As a little bit of a closer look. And yeah, a great affordable alternative if you're looking for something similar to the Balenciaga tracks, but obviously without the price point. And in terms of the sizing, I picked these up in a 9.5, which is my true to size, and they fit perfect. So there we have it. Pickup number 4 is the New Balance 530s. I'm moving on to favorite pickup number 5, and sticking with sneakers, that is, of course, the Axel Arigato marathon runners. Now I literally made an entire video unboxing these, like I think it was about a week ago, so I won't talk too much about them, but I will leave a card up here and I'll link it in the description down below as well for you guys to check out if you wish to do so. But again, going back to the Balenciaga alternatives, if your budget does allow you to, I would honestly say that these Axel Arigato marathon runners are probably the best alternative to the Balenciaga tracks. The actual silhouette of the sneaker is very similar to the tracks, and as you can see, super chunky, and it is definitely just as heavy. Now these are available in, I think it's 6 or 7 different colorways. Now obviously I opted for the brushed black one because this is one of the newer colorways that they released, and also because I didn't actually own a black pair of sneakers whatsoever. So I thought it would be a good idea to cop a black pair because obviously I already have the Balenciagas and the New Balance 530s in like a white colorway. So I thought I need to bring a black pair into the collection, ready for summer. So yeah, that's why I went with that. Now I picked these up in a size UK 9.5, which is my actual size. Fit perfectly, so definitely if you are thinking about copying, stay true to size. And in terms of the actual price point, these are coming in at £200, so definitely not the cheapest sneaker on the market, but at the same time, as an alternative to the Balenciagas, they're coming in at what, £600-700, so a lot cheaper than them. And there we have it, my 5th favorite pickup of the month, the Axel Arigato marathon runners. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section down below, do you want to see a video of me kind of styling these with multiple different outfits? Let me know in the comments down below. And there we have it guys, that is my 5 favorite pickups of the month. Be sure to let me know in the comment section down below which out of those 5 pieces was your personal favorite. And also, what have you picked up, if you have picked up anything, what have you picked up this month that you absolutely love? But that is that for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe if you're new, drop a comment down below, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, it's basically a daily vlog. Also, screenshot yourself watching this, upload it to your story, tag me in it, I'll repost it onto my story. That is that, I'll see you guys in the next one, peace.